Hello guys, this is Linda from Forev'Herbs. On this channel, we'll talk about everything as it relates to nature, herbalism, growing your own food, plants, how to sow a seed, how to take care of your plants, your trees, your fruit trees, your vegetables, uh, do a couple of recipes, easy, simple recipes to use for your family. It is spring, early spring. We are just in March, and uh, it's the season. It's time to prepare your garden. You need to think, if you have not already done so, you should have thought about your garden and what you want to grow this season. If you have not done so yet, I will encourage you to sit, take the time to reflect on what you would like to grow, and I would encourage you to grow things that you don't find at the supermarket. I will provide you with a list of farms that I buy my seeds or my seedlings from, and you can go on their website and see so many things, so many different color of vegetables that you don't find in the store, at the supermarket, and grow your own. So that's the opportunity you have. That's the good thing about growing your own. As I said, I want to encourage you to start growing some things. It's possible. Some people will say they don't have the green thumb. It's okay. Start with tomatoes. I always say tomatoes don't go. They can go wrong. Just put the seed in the dirt, cover it up, water it every other day, and you'll be just fine. They will grow properly. Start with tomatoes, even cucumbers. They are so easy to grow. So don't be afraid of starting to grow some things. It's possible. I am doing it. I have more things, more trees, two more trees that I'm going to go that are in containers. I will eventually change the containers, and I will show you how I do that. So in case you receive um, a tree from a farm or from the Home Depot or Lowe's, you can I will show you step by step how to transplant them from the pot from Home Depot into your own pot. I have too many trees, so I will not be doing it in ground. I can't do that anymore. But I will show you how to do that into a pot. And I have other pots. I'm going to grow different herbs, and I will take you to the process. One thing that was frustrating for me when I started growing is that I saw all these videos and all these positive outcomes, and people were sharing the fruit, and they picked the fruit, and it was all fresh, and they would eat, and so you think it's beautiful and it's perfect and it's easy. None of this is not easy. It's work. Yeah, it's work. Growing food is work. Being an agriculture person is work. But they made it seem like it was a smooth process. And so when I started growing my trees, I encountered so many difficulties. There are pests you need to worry about. There are diseases, fungus or fungi that you need to worry about. And nobody told me what problems I may encounter. I have to search on my own, and I lost some seasons. I lost so many fruits. I don't know what to do, how to take care of them. I thought you just put it down. After you just put it down, you plant it, and oops, you up and leave. But it doesn't work like that. It takes a little bit of work. It's a commitment if you want to see the results, but it's so worth it at the end of the season to go pick up your food. So I will show you how to take care of them. We will do some trimming. We'll trim some of those branches that I talked about that don't deserve to be here anymore, that are dead. We will also spray. We will have to do some spraying. Some other people are very lucky where they don't spray anything. I have to spray. I have experienced it. I've done it for a while now. And if I do not spray, the pests and the fungi will come to my fruits, and I will have nothing less. They will just die and fall to the ground. So we will talk about that, and I will show you how I do that. I will show you how I take care of my trees, how I feed the trees, and just show you the progress from the fruit, being the size of being this size, for example, to becoming a size of a dime, a quarter, and like being really like full in your hands. We'll see that progression, And I'll take you through that, the good, the bad, and the ugly, the easy stuff, the hard work, the commitment, the watering, and everything. I'll take you through everything. So we will start now until we are ready to pick our fruit. Another thing that I have a problem with is the squirrels. Those squirrels, I don't know what to do with them. I used to love squirrels for a long time until I started to grow food. I combat. I have to combat squirrels because they eat everything and they don't leave you anything. So they'll come through the. I've covered the tree. They will come through and bite through the covering, the cover, the tree cover, and get to the fruit. It's been a hustle. So I'm going to bring my cages. So there's one over there. If I can show you, I have one cage here. This is one cage that I have. If I can show you properly. This is a cage right here. This is a cage that I have for them. This is a small one. I have a big one. I have the squirrely needle. I need to use the squirrely needle because I'm infested with I'm infested with these animals, and it's a combat between them and me as to who wins and who eats something at the end of the day. Because they don't grow anything. I do all the work and they eat for free. I don't know about that. I don't mind sharing, but they can have everything. So we'll talk about that, and I'll take you through everything from the beginning of the season until the end of the season, and you will see how things work and how things go. So this is what my channel is all about. Thank you for being here and hanging out with me on my first video, and I will see you later. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this video, this presentation. I hope you liked it.